Becoming deaf was a very big deal in my life. I had to depend on ASL for a long period of time. And so even though I had a cochlear, my reliable comfort of communication was ASL. So last year in November, I had a hearing scheduled the first week of November to resolve an eviction notice that I got from my apartment landlord. And so I talked to the judge right before we were supposed to be sworn in, and the judge said, well, if you start to have any difficulties, let me know.
And I, the judge, have the right to proceed on the petition that's been filed by the plaintiff. You have stated that you want some sort of sign interpreter. It is clear to this court that you understand me, and I understand you.
Between the discussion the judge had with the company, the property management, and with me, I had no idea what was going on. So I realized there's no way I'm going to get a fair trial without an ASL interpreter. And I just said, okay, that's it. I've got to ask again. So for the third time I asked.
So, but I requested an interpreter. That's a human right in violation. I can't even see your lips.
Just stop. It's clear to this court that, I've had enough. Have a seat right there. It is clear to this court from the record and from anyone who's watching this proceeding that Ms. Alverio understands exactly what's going on. She is being obstructionist. She's trying to delay the proceeding, and I'm not going to allow it. But it's clear to me that you're here to cause trouble, and I don't appreciate it. And I don't want to hear another word about the interpreter, because it's clear from this record you understood everything that's going on in this case.
I felt belittled, and I felt really, really small. I did not feel that I was adequately or in any given way able to defend myself. I want to see that the people that are employed in the courthouse understand how some people with disability are required to have accommodations. It's not a choice they make. It is a need. It is a necessity. I just couldn't believe he kept saying I was lying to him, and I felt kind of punished the whole time.